here, I think this will probably help with this. Remember back here when we start talking about the shear diagrams after we get done here, we're looking at nothing changes until you get to that location. So everything to the left does this, everything to the right does that on the shear diagram. I think that helps. I think that just that picture right there helps a bunch. It's right at that location where you've got a new force introduced is where the change occurs. To the right of it's one thing, to the left of it's another. Anything. So if I check it here, it's going to be the same on both sides. I think that helps quite a bit. It makes sense to me, so it has to make sense to you guys. It better make sense. I'm trying to get this through to you. So, yeah. But if it doesn't, we just keep working on it, right? Okay, so that takes care of that problem, right? Got to move on. If I can get my pictures all, come on. Okay. Well, what do we have here? Now this one we have two problems on the same one. We're going to have to move. I think we'll leave this up here for our viewing pleasure, and then we'll just do the work down below. If we can do that. Okay, so this is 13-8, is it? Yeah. I did put them. I finally started putting them on separate pieces of paper so I wouldn't get screwed up. All right, so 13-8. Let's see. So there's our pictures for A, and we're doing A at 3 and 8 feet. So let's see here, mouse. Thank you. So I'm going to do this one. It's already labeled. So here's AY and BY. Okay. Now what do we have here? We got 2 kips per foot. So that means we're going to have a free body diagram that looks something like this. Got BY. It's even got the flex already built into it, doesn't it? AY. Evenly distributed load. It's concentrated. It's 2 times 20, so that's 40 kips, right? Almost said kilonewtons. This is 10 feet, and that's 10 feet. Sum of the forces into Y. Do I need to do that? What's gonna be the reactions at A and B? I gotta get this moving. So, what are the reactions at A and B going to be? Each one of them's 20, right? It's evenly distributed. So let's just dispense with that. So if I look at this at 3 feet, my free body diagram looks like this, doesn't it? I got 20 kips here, and that'd be about it, wouldn't it? So my shear on that is 20 kips. It's a positive value, so it's going down. The moment, 20 kips times 3 feet, right? This distance from here to here is 3 feet. Equals 60 kips feet.
I did have a quick question.
Okay. Oh, let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Did I screw something up here? Is that the wrong picture?
No, you just left out your evenly.
Yeah, I sure did. Boy, that was about a bonehead mistake. Actually, I left that out on everything. Let's get in a big hurry. That's not fair, is it? Let's get that out of there. Start that over. What was your question? Was that your question?
The roller joint and the pin joint are on opposite sides of the beam on this one? For
No.
any reason?
No, the only time that would matter would be on your X value.
Okay.
Now, what does matter though is I forgot to put this in there. The weight of the beam. It's 2 kips per foot over 3 feet, right?
Yeah,
So we got 6 kips there.
yeah.
Sorry about that. Then we've got a 1.5 feet here and 1.5 feet here. Does make a difference. Well, that was almost acting like I was writing the solutions to this manual. And just
Maybe
doing
longer.
willy-nilly, I'm telling you. Holy cow, that was ugly. Sorry. So now let's relist those. 20 kips going up, so it's positive, minus 6 kips going down. Now, by my math, that's 14 kips. And it is positive, so the shear, internal shear is going down. Thanks for checking me on that. I would have checked, but I would have been way too late, wouldn't I? On the moment part of this, we got 6 kips. It's going down, so it's negative, times 1.5 feet plus 20 times 3. Do your math on that. Should end up with 51 kips feet. That way. Can we stop here?
I want to do the one that,
Oh.
where it was
Oh, actually, we need to do the one where it was wrong.
distributed load,
The one where it was what?
unevenly distributed.
That's the one where it was wrong. That's 13.8, right? Yeah, 13.8